Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
It was a sad day. Waffle's owner hadn't been found, and so Waffle was going to go to the kennels to wait for a new family to adopt him. Wish Waffle could stay.
Stay?
But my dad says you can't. Shh. It's just Dad playing his electric guitar. Stop barking, or Mrs. Hobbs will get upset with you.
Keep the noise down in there!
She already is.
We better go tell Dad to stop playing if we want Waffle to stop woofing. Dad! Stop playing! It's making Waffle work!
And Mrs. Hobbs is knocking on the wall from next door. Listen!
She was.
Waffle, I really wanted to finish my new song. Maybe if I play it a little bit quieter, yeah? Oh, take him outside to the garden, please, where he can't hear me playing. Oh, and please pick up all of his toys from the lawn. He'll need to take those with him later.
Come on,
Does
Waffle.
Waffle really have to go today, Dad?
Yes, Doug, he does. It's all arranged. Jess will be home later, and then she's going to take him to the local kennels. It won't be long before...
He finds a new family to live with. I know.
I'm sorry, Doug. But we're still getting used to living here, aren't we? Just the four of us. Plus, it won't be long before that little puppy is a big dog. In a lot more trouble. Oh, Waffle. Oh, Waffle, though we've only known you for a few weeks, we just want to say thank you for all your little... Good one. For all your little squeaks. You again. Can't get enough of my music, huh? Is that it? Great. A fan at last. Good dog. Good boy. Okay, you ready now? Here we go.
Whoops. Waffle's garden toys?
Doug, go and wash your hands, please. Sort this out. Waffle saying goodbye to you was so sad. But it's no good you being here, 'cause we live next door to a cat. 2, 3.
And it was Mrs. Hobbs' cat that Waffle wanted to say goodbye to.
We'd like to say thank you for all your little... Hold on. Where's Waffle? Waffle, that's where you come in with your squeaky toy. Waffle! Doug! Evie!
Come in.
Quick! Waffle! Mrs. Hobbs, is it Waffle? Is Waffle in there?
I don't see him. I just see Mrs. Hobbs and George.
Oh, hello, Mrs. Hobbs.
Hi! Hi, Mrs. Hobbs!
Oh, your dog has just invaded my house.
Are you sure it was Waffle, Mrs. Hobbs?
What a question to ask, Mr. Brooklyn Bell. Of course I'm sure.
It's only that, well, look, Waffle's in our house.
You're such a clever dog. Such a dog you are.
That dog was in here. It was him in my house.
I know it hasn't been easy, Mrs. Hobbs, living next door to a dog. But worry no more. Waffle is leaving us today.
Really? Oh, that is good news. Oh, isn't it, Georgie? Isn't it? The doggy is going.
It must have been you, Waffle.
But how did you get into Mrs. Hobbs' house and back here?
Can you show us, please?
What is it, Waffle?
Waffle?
He's trying to show us.
It's a tunnel.
What?
Goes all the way next door.
What?
Into Mrs. Hobbs' house. Waffle, is this what you used to get through? Clever dog.
Did you want to say a last goodbye to George the cat?
Waffle made this tunnel, and now I'll have to fix it before Mrs. Hobbs spots it. You have caused so much damage and mischief since you've lived here, Waffle. Oh, it's your mum, Evie. Hi, Jess. Yeah, OK. No. No, I'll tell them. All right. OK, bye. See you later. Bye.
Please don't say Waffle's going.
I'm sorry, Evie. Your mum's on her way home and she's going to take Waffle to the kennels now.
I'm not letting Waffle leave.
I'm so sorry, Evie. But Waffle has to go.
I'm going to miss Waffle.
Me too.
Me too.
Do you want to give him a hug too, Simon?
OK, come on then. Good boy. Look at us. Do we really want Waffle to remember us like this? All sad? How about I fix that hole later and we go and give Waffle a proper send-off? Yeah?
Yeah.
Come on then. Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog.
Can we join in?
Waffle doggy, waffle doggy, waffle doggy.
Such a clever dog you are.
Simon made Waffle a new song.
So that Waffle will always remember us.
Waffle helped with the squeaks too, didn't you? Yeah. Do you like your new song?
Love it.
Did he? Did you? Did Waffle just talk?
Yes, we've been trying to tell you that for ages.
Now do you believe us?
More music.
He really is a wonder dog, Simon, and he's one of the family now. We're going to miss him so much.
You're going to make me say it, aren't you? Well, I don't think Mrs. Hobbs will be too happy, but maybe... OK, Waffle can stay! Waffle doggy!
Waffle doggy, waffle doggy.
You're such a clever dog!
Such a clever dog you are.
What's this?
The next day, after Mum and I took Waffle into her vet's to get microchipped, we gave him a special collar. We were now officially his owners.
Do you like your new colour?
And Waffle the puppy soon grew into Waffle the dog, our very own Brooklyn Bell dog. And Waffle's cat flap became too small for him, and he got his own big dog door.
Doggy. Go on, go and fetch it. Go on.
Oh, he's definitely better behaved now that he's older.
I know. Look at him. Hold on. What is he doing? Waffle, no. No. Waffle, come back. I'm getting him.
Yep, Waffle has a lot to learn, and we still have a lot to learn about our Waffle the Wonderdog.
Everybody!